Happy holidays, you guys. Welcome back to our Boxycharm showdown. Normally I only do 1 or 2 of these boxes, but somehow in the world that I live in, everything lined up and I was able to get all 3 of them at the same time. We here on my channel do these every month. I've been doing them for quite some time now, and I love them. I have quite a few different subscription boxes, and this is one of my favorite ones to unbox because it truly is one of the best values that there are out there. If you guys aren't new to my channel, this is probably stuff you already hear all the time, but if you are new, I do put all of the information about the Boxycharm, the premium box, and Boxyluxe down below, so if you guys want to check it out. Before we get diving into these unboxings, I get a lot of questions about my shipment information on these boxes. Because these 3 were sent by Boxycharm, they sent it in one big box, so altogether I only got 1 weight. So before we get diving into this video, I gotta give a little shout out to my liquid lipstick for today. I'm super excited to wear this. This is the Melted Liquid Lipstick. It's part of their Christmas collection from Too Faced. This is in the shade Candy Cane. You guys, I freaking love this color. It reminds me so much of another one that I really love by Pixie. I believe that one's called Real Red. But if you guys are wanting to see a haul video after this, I did do a massive like holiday haul not very long ago, and it was part of my Ulta haul, which I'll link at the end of this video. I'm going to start with the base box, but if you guys are looking for a specific box, just look at the scroll bar down below, and it will have markers for everything for you guys as well, just so it's super convenient. This month's theme is Bubble and Glitz. I love that theme. I hope there's glitter in here. First thing I have here is by Glamnetic. This is the Liquid Glamnetic Eyeliner, which I believe this is designed for lashes. So there's gotta be, okay, there it is. These come with a set of lashes in the style, I have the style Bella, and I believe this is where you just kind of line your lash line and then you put the lashes on. It's supposed to be super easy. I have heard that these are really good. I've never tried these kind of lash applications. I normally just use good old glue and slap it on, but I do know that a lot of people tend to have issues when they're not used to apply lashes, so I feel like this would be very easy to work with, so that is very cool to see. The next thing I have in here is by MAC, and this is the MAC lipstick. I have a matte lipstick in the shade Whirl. Shut the front door. Damn, I love this color. I do not have the matte lipstick. I want to say I decluttered it so long ago in my declutter, and I never repurchased it because I have the lip liner and usually I just line my lips with it. But damn, this is a good shade. So excited to have this. Oh man, yes, I love this. Next item is the Huda Beauty. This is the Ruby Obsessions palette. I believe I just decluttered this because I didn't really use it very much. So there is what it looks like. It is a beautiful palette, don't get me wrong, just never really used it, so I'm not going to keep it because I just decluttered the other one, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this along. So we'll go ahead and jump back into this in a little bit, but just give me a second. Next thing I have here is by Elemis. This is the Elemis Superfood Glowing Priming Moisturizer, designed for all skin types. I have lately been all about hydration and anything that will hydrate my skin. So last item I have here is by Eloise, and this is the Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, this eyeshadow. It looks like a nail polish bottle, doesn't it? This is in the shade Pure Gold. Reminds me of the Stila Magnificent Metals, but this one is beautiful. Look at that, you guys. Gorgeous. Oh, my foot's asleep. The Huda Beauty, the MAC inside, and this Pure Gold liquid eyeshadow is gorgeous. So these are the 5 products that I got in my base box. I thought it was a pretty damn good box. If you guys are wondering what variation this is variation number 37. The Huda Beauty retails for $27. Glamnetic retails for $63. Elemis retails for $49. The MAC lipstick retails for $19. And then the liquid shadow retails for $26. Let's move into this bad boy. So for those of you guys that are getting the premium box, here it is. It says Glitz and Bubbles is the theme. Okay, so the first thing I see here is this eyeshadow palette. This is the Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. All right, so this is what it looks like. Ooh, look at that shade. Look at how pretty that is. So this is Pot of Gold. That is what it looks like. This is the shade right here, which is called Royal Flush. This one here is 777s. And then that there is what it looks like. Really pretty. I think this would be a really pretty highlighter, but it might be a little too dark of a highlighter. It looks like it'd be a little too dark of a highlighter for me, but I could definitely see it as like a really pretty topper, maybe on top of the blush. Then you have the bronzer. Good Fortune is what it's called. Then we have Heaven Scent, which is more of a champagne highlight, which is this one right here. And then lastly, we have the other bronzer, which is just a shade darker, which looks like that. I actually think that the bronzers will work well on my skin. I really love the shades in this palette. I don't know, I've never heard of this brand, but I really love the look of this palette. I'm really digging this. I'm definitely gonna try this out because this is really nice. Next up I have is another Elemis product. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. It is a anti-wrinkle multi-use eye mask for fine lines, tired looking eyes, brightens, rejuvenates, and hydrates. Then we have, ooh, I don't own anything from here. This is the Viseart palette. Holy hell. This is the Professional Makeup 12 Shade Professional Eyeshadow Palette. Look at that blue. These browns are just on another level, you guys. I'm floored by the pigment. They're definitely not like super buttery, but they've got the pigment there, you know, like, but they pack a huge punch in them. Okay, the next thing I have, it's called the It's So Big Volumizing Mascara by Elizabeth Mott. I have heard of Elizabeth Mott. I have used some of her products in the past, but I do not believe that I have used her mascara. It's got the hourglass shaped wand. Definitely gonna try it out. I have been testing out a lot of mascaras here. I do have a Fenty product. This is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Madame. I like that. I did get another one from this line a while ago. I just don't use it. But this is a beautiful color. It's like a rich, rich red. And then the last thing I have here is by Crown. This is the All Eyes on You 5-piece brush set. So these are the 5 brushes you get. You get like this small little shader brush. This one's a little bit more of a chubbier brush. You get a little flat one, a pointed, and then a fluffy crease brush. So that was the premium box. And let's go ahead and talk about it. I do have variation number 4, and the Viseart palette itself retails for $80. I knew the Viseart eyeshadow palettes were more expensive. Elemis retails for $82. The True and Luscious Glow palette retails for $46. The Fenty Mademoiselle Plush Lipstick retails for $18. The Crown brushes retail for $34. And the Elizabeth Mott mascara retails for $20. That premium box killed it so far. I have to say that I am super impressed with it. The base box, you got that MAC lipstick, super freaking excited about it. But then you get the Viseart palette, which it's like opening Christmas presents, y'all. This is our last box. Again, the Glitz and Glamour. Glitz and Bubbles, sorry. Glitz and Bubbles is the theme. Ooh, what is this? Oh, these are beautiful. I actually have a pair that kind of look like this, and I wear them actually quite often. Oh, I love them. I love hoops, don't get me wrong, but studs, they're just something so simple, and right now when I'm wearing a mask, it's really all I've been wearing are studs in my ears. I have variation, no joke, I'm not kidding. C20124220LX, whatever that means. This is by Avant. This is the Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. Now, I don't think that I've received this particular product, but I have gotten stuff from this brand. And so far, I've been pleased. So this goes to this. This was open. This is by Reza. This is the Be Obsessed Leave My Leave-In, Love My Leave-In for all hair types. This is a leave-in conditioner. It smells good. It smells like a salon. I don't know. I love that smell. I have this bag right here. This is actually by Luxie. Oh, I've actually gotten so many boxes with Luxie brushes. And I always get excited when I get Luxie brushes because they are very great quality. They last a very long time. They outlast a lot of other brands' brushes that I use. And I've never really used one that I didn't like. So these are really nice. I already own a bunch of brushes though. And I just think that somebody else could really enjoy them. Next up is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment by Sunday Riley. I have used this before. I actually only had like a small trial size of this. I really enjoyed it. The brand is great in general. There are definitely some really good hits and some misses, but this is definitely a hit. Let's see. We have this right here, which is by the brand Hip Dot. And I want to say we got something from them last time, didn't we? Yeah, I think so. This is the palette called Cenote. Look at those blues. Yes. This is nice. This is nice. We'll just swatch some of them. I really want to swatch like these blues, but look at this icy blue one here. Ooh, what's this one? Melt Water. This one here called Melt Water. Oh my goodness. Goddess is like this mermaid green. You guys, what the heck? Jungle. Ancient. I'm really just focusing on the blues because that's really what I wanted to see. Tulum. This one is like this matte blue. My goodness, look at those blues. I don't think I own a lot of eyeshadows with that many blues in them that are that pigmented. Holy hell, that's a good palette. We've got two more products. I have this here, which is by Rockins Cosmetics. This is called Hot Mess. Get Hot Mess with Rockins Black, Blue, and Green Glitter Gel Eye Pens. So you get these 3 like chubby eye pencil sticks. So this is the last thing I have here, and this is by Iconic London. Looks very similar to the other one that we got in our premium box. So this is supposed to be their face palette. Okay, so there's 2 right there. Can you see them? They're kind of powdery. Those are the shades. Definitely not as impressed by just feeling it as I am with the other face palette that we got in our premium box. But I'm going to try it. I could be wrong. This could not swatch very well. I mean, from here, the swatches look good. So we'll give it a shot. I don't know why. I just feel like they're just not as exciting as the other face palette. Does that make sense? I don't know. That's the Boxyluxe, okay? So the Boxyluxe came with the Iconic London face palette for $55. Then the Sunday Riley, the lactic acid treatment was $85. The Hip Dot palette was $30. $30 for that eyeshadow palette is a steal. The Luxie glitter and gold brush set was $85. That's a lot. These are the Cupid Zirconia stud earrings. These retail for $36. The Avant Skincare was $123. The Rockin' Cosmetics glitter gel pens were $40. And then the leave-in conditioner was $22. Of all 3 boxes, I have to say that I truly think the Boxycharm and the base box really killed it. Don't get me wrong, the Boxyluxe is good, but the premium and the base box, at least in my boxes, nailed it. Those blues in that palette, man, if you get this palette, I feel that when you swatch it, you will understand my shock on how amazing they are. So as part of my December content, my plan is to actually just throw giveaways in the videos that I am going to be posting throughout the month of December. So if you are new to my channel, I hope you guys will stick around and subscribe, and also hit those notification bells so that way you guys are notified, because I will have random giveaways going through my videos. For today's video, as a way of saying thank you to so many of you guys who constantly support my channel, love and come back to my unboxings, I want to do a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a grab bag full of stuff. A bunch of these things are skincare and makeup, so I just want to kind of go through some of them. Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette that we just got in this box, and then I'm also going to put in the Luxie brushes. I will also be putting in the Natasha Denona Peak palette that we got in our box last time. I've got a Kush mascara in here, and then I've got quite a few of these Maybelline liquid lipsticks. These are part of their coffee edition. One of my favorite lines that they came out with. I got some Benetint, I've got Laura Geller in here, some skincare, and then I also added this Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. So if you want to be entered into this giveaway box, all you have to do is comment down below. Let me know, what do we say? Let me know down below what your favorite product of 2020 was this year, your favorite makeup product of 2020 was. I will also allow an extra entry if you guys want to be a part of my Instagram family. Make sure to subscribe over and follow me on Instagram at StephsBeauty05. If you guys do follow me, please make sure to put your Instagram handle down below so I can verify it. Anything else you guys want to know about the giveaway that I forget to mention right now, I will have it linked down below in description box, as well as all of the information to sign up for Boxycharm. But just thank you all so much for watching my videos. I hope that 2021 for a lot of us is a lot better. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the afternoon, evening, whatever it is. If you guys want to check out any other videos, I will have them linked down right in this area somewhere, but I will see you guys all later. Bye.